Hi, this is Harry with RackYourGarage and working on a repair of a garage storage rack. I've actually taken it pretty much all down and just want to show you a couple of things that I've found. When you buy these racks, they come with bolts and nuts all in the boxes. This would be an example of one, although this one's now bent. You can see the bend in it right there. So we'll be replacing that. You should use them. You know, this is a good quality bolt, other than that it is now bent. That's probably because of how it was installed. But beyond that, these are some of the other things that whoever installed it used. That is not for this rack, nor is that. That is a wall anchor being used as a ceiling anchor to hold, essentially just hold against the drywall board. And of course it's bent. Really didn't work. This one looks pretty heavy duty. I actually undid this with my fingers. I just kind of unscrewed it with my fingers out of the ceiling. So I wasn't massively excited about how well that was in. So these bolts that I'm showing you here, this is from the manufacturer originally, and it's a good quality bolt. You should be using the ones that come in the box, not all these other things that I guess someone just had lying around and used those. Why is this even important? Well, if you have any of our racks, you probably recognize this is one of the down legs. This is what happens if you don't. So use the wrong bolts, put a heavy weight on it, and you got a nice bend here. And although things didn't physically fall down, the whole rack let go in at least one corner. And so here I am, we're going to replace this whole section out, put the correct bolts in, and put it up and straight and level. A couple other examples of what you might see if it goes wrong is see this bent corner. So as one corner's come down over here, this one's bent. This is mostly down to just not finding the ceiling joists. They went for these two holes here, and they're not in the right place. The right-hand one just pulled straight out. So if you want your rack installed securely, watch some of our videos, get some tips, or give me a call and I'll install it for you. Harry with RackYourGarage.